Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Solidity Basics. In this video, we'll see how we can call parent contracts. So parent contracts can be called directly or by using the keyword super. Do keep in mind that if we use the keyword super, all of the immediate parent contracts will be called one by one. We'll go through the contract we have. We have the inheritance tree where we have A as the base contract. B and C both inherit A, and then D inherits B and C. So contract A, in this contract we have a simple event log which logs out a string message, and we have two functions foo and bar which logs out that a.foo called and a.bar called. Both of these functions are virtual, which means they can be overridden by the child contract. Then we have contract B. Contract B inherits A and overrides the functions of contract A. The new logic is that foo function from B would emit a log with a message b.foo called, and it would call a.foo, and the bar function would also emit a log that b.bar called, and it will call the bar function of its parent contract by using the keyword super. Similarly, C inherits contract A, and the entire structure is similar to how B inherits contract A. We'll move on to contract D. Contract D inherits B and C, and it overrides the functions of B and C. It in foo it calls super.foo, and in bar it calls super.bar. So we'll see how all of this works out on the remix IDE. So we have our contract ready, and we'll just increase the transaction logs so that we can inspect it. So we have a contract ready. We'll compile it, and then we'll deploy the contracts one by one. We'll deploy the contract A, and we'll call the function foo. So here we have the transaction a.foo called. This event was emitted, and when we call bar, we'll see a similar event a.bar called. Now let's look at the B contract. We'll deploy this, and we'll call the function foo. So here you'll see that two events were emitted, and one event was b.foo called, which we emitted from B directly, and then we called a.foo. So a.foo called because this called the foo function from the A contract. Now we'll deploy the contract C, and since C is similar, so it would work the way B works. For B, we didn't check the bar function, so we'll do that for C. We'll call the bar function, and we'll see that one event was emitted that c.bar called. So this is we are emitting here in the bar function of C, and then we are doing super.bar. So it should call its immediate parent contract, which is A, and when the bar function from A is executed, it should emit out an event with a log a.bar called. So we have that here. So this has worked correctly. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.